cleanDocs is the last piece of the puzzle that we included recently. It came as a package, but it's also a much better tool than we have ever used. It also has the added benefit of not killing other applications on the fly. As you know, it plugs into everything under the sun, more importantly in Outlook. In Outlook we have 15 different plugins. They don't play well with each other, and the cleaning tool was always a big problem.
What cleanDocs is all about is making sure that when documents are communicated or sent or shared with somebody outside the organisation, that the metadata is cleared out of those documents. What a lot of people don't realise is that when they create, let's say, a Microsoft Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, there is a lot of extra information in there that they probably would not want to be shared with their customer or shared on a website.